How to appear offline on your Roblox account so that you can play games in peace. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on your Roblox account. So first of all, open your Roblox app. And now make sure you are logged into your Roblox account on your mobile app. And now, once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this. Now, in order to appear offline, you'll have to tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and then go to settings. Now, tap on the third option, which is privacy. And now it will take you to the privacy settings page, which is this over here. Now wait for it to load up. And now once it's loaded, you'll have to change a few different settings in order to appear offline. The first one is who can message me. So currently it is set to friends. You'll have to set it to no one. After that, do the same for who can chat with me in app, no one. And then finally, who can chat with me, no one. Now you can also set these two to no one, which is who can invite me to private servers. Choose this to no one, and then who can join me in experiences, no one. Now once you've done all of these, other people won't be able to disturb you while you are playing, and you can play in peace. So that is the only way on how you can appear offline on Roblox. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.